by 5 and y is 5 by 1, so it's going to be 2 by 1 matrix actually. So you can solve this system, easy system. So once you have the solution of this system, the solution goes like A equal to B equal to 4 upon 5. So once you have these two numbers, then this equation y equal to 4 upon 5, okay, 4 upon 5x plus 4 upon 5 is the best fit, the best linear line that is a fit to this data actually. Okay, this is the best line for which if you compute the distance between these points and this line, these distances are going to be smaller as compared to any other line that you take in the plane actually. Okay, so maybe some lines are nearer to 0, 1, but they are going to be far away from 4, 4. So this is really the best fit actually. Okay, this is really the best fit. So you just saw, you know, a very interesting set of results using the orthogonal projections actually. Okay, so see you in a bit.